Every day, millions of young people open their phones and step into a digital world. But for many, it becomes a place of fear. Cyberbullying is not a joke. It is an ethical issue that affects mental health, dignity, and safety. Behind every screen is a real person, someone who can be deeply by our words. Why does this matter? Because cyberbullying leads to anxiety, depression, isolation, and sometimes irreversible consequences. No one deserves to feel unsafe in the online world. But we can change this. We can create a digital space where respect and kindness lead the way. Here's what you can do. Speak up when you see someone being bullied. Support the victim instead of staying silent. And if you're being bullied, reach out. You are not alone. Together, we can build an online community where everyone feels safe and valued. It starts with one choice, one voice, one act of kindness.
Stand up, speak kindness, stop cyberbullying, because your words can change life.